Good morning students. Today we are again here with class 4th computer science. In last session of online class we have started the chapter 4 where you have learned about the word processor programs. Word processor program, that is Microsoft Word, and some of the features which we discussed in the last class was like some of the features which we discussed in the last class is regarding the formatting feature, where we have discussed what is the formatting, then what are the different types of formatting options available, like changing the font face, size and the color, and then how to make the text bold, italic and underline. Okay, I hope that you all have understood it properly, and now in this session of class we will discuss about how to change the alignment of the text. So we will discuss first of all we will discuss about what is the alignment of the text, then we will learn about to change the text case. Okay, so first of all, alignment of the text. The alignment or align generally means the way in which your text is arranged in your document. The alignment of the text generally means the way in which the text is arranged in your document horizontally. Okay, or how does it appear? And the alignments are basically done with regarding to the margin of the page. Okay, with the regard of margin of the page, and the word processor or the word application program generally gives you the 4 different type of alignment options. 4 different type of alignment options are available there. The first one is left, right, center and justify. The 4 alignment options, left, right, center and justify option is there. And by default, if you do not choose any alignment, type of alignment, the word program always uses the left alignment as by default. By default, the word program always uses the left alignment. Okay, it aligns each and every text towards the left margin of the page itself. Clear? Now, suppose take example that if you want to write everything within the center of your document, center of your page, then you can use the center alignment. If you want to align your text with right margin, you can use the right alignment, or if you want to align it in between the left and right, you can use the justify alignment here. Okay, the another topic which we will cover is text case changing. Okay, changing the text case. Changing the text case generally means to change the text from lowercase to uppercase or from uppercase to lowercase. So there are different options available for this. There are different options available within Word program. For this, there are 5 different options. Generally, 5 different change case options are available. The first one is sentence case. If you are applying a sentence case on any particular text or a sentence or a paragraph, if you are applying sentence case on any particular sentence or a paragraph, then what the changes will be there is that it makes the first letter of the first word in a sentence capital. It makes the first letter of the first word in the sentence capital letter and all others in the small letter. Okay, whereas the lowercase, it is used to convert the text into lowercase. Whereas the third option, uppercase, the uppercase is used to change all the text within the sentence or a paragraph into uppercase. Everything will be written in a capital letter. Everything, if you are using the uppercase, everything will be written in the capital letter. Okay, then the fourth option is capitalize first word. Capitalize each word or the first letter. The fourth option is capitalize each word. So what changes this particular option will do is it will make the first letter of each word. It will make first letter of each word capital. Okay, it will make first letter of each word capital. And the fifth and final option is toggle case. Fifth and final option is toggle case, which generally converts, if you are written any sentence in capital and small letter, it is mixed in a capital and small letter, then what does the toggle case does is it changes all the capital letters into small letter and small letters into capital letter. Okay, the toggle case just does the opposite. The toggle case just does the opposite. It converts all the uppercase letters, that is all the capital letters, into small letters and all the small letters into capital letter. Okay, so these are the 5 different options. Now we move further and I will show you the step by step procedure and what are the changes or effect of this particular alignments and text case changes on your document. Okay, so let's start with first of all changing the text alignment. Changing the text alignment. So for this I have just prepared one. This is one of the document available with me, and I will perform the alignment on this document. I will perform the alignment on this document. So for completing the alignment, what you have to do is go to the home tab. Go to the home tab. Okay, click on the home tab, and within the home tab you can see the paragraph group is there. You can see the paragraph group is there, and suppose there are different paragraphs available here. So I will apply, suppose these first three lines. On these first 3 lines, I will select these first 3 lines, and then I have gone to paragraph group, and within paragraph group you can see these 4 options of alignment are there. 4 options of alignment is given there, or you can use the shortcut keys also. For left it is Ctrl plus L, for center it is Ctrl plus E, for right Ctrl plus R, or for justify Ctrl plus J. So now here, now you can see by default what has automatically used the left alignment. Okay, left alignment, you can, these 3 sentences or the lines are aligned to the left margin. Then come to the next paragraph. I have selected the next paragraph, and then you click on the center alignment, or use the shortcut key Ctrl plus E. Ctrl plus E. Now you can see some changes here. Okay. Now move to the third one. Third paragraph, and use the right alignment. Now I have clicked here right alignment, Ctrl plus R, and the last one justify. So now you can see the changes of different alignments here. This is left alignment. This one is center alignment. This one is right alignment. All the text are aligned towards the right margin of the page, and the last one is justify alignment. All the text are aligned in between the left and the right margin of the page. Okay, so these are the 4 different options available there for alignment. And as we have discussed, the alignment generally means the way of presenting the text within your document according to the margin of the page, or the way in This is how we can use the alignment options within our document. Next one is changing the case of the text. Changing the case of the text. Case of the text generally means that while creating a document, we need to type text in different cases. Okay, as you write anything on the notebooks or on the system, on the computer, that there are some grammatical rules. There are some grammatical rules which you have to follow. That every sentence should start with a capital letter. Names and the name of any places should start with a capital letter. So we need to type the text into different cases like uppercase, lowercase, and sentence case. That is, in the capital letter, small letters, and in some of the sentence, the first letter should always be capital. So we have to follow all these things, and we can easily change the case of the selected text to another case by using the following steps. So steps like suppose here I have written this paragraph, and if I want to write everything, if you want to change the cases of this particular paragraph, then what you can do, first of all you have to select the text. Select the text. So we have selected the text, and then go to the home tab. Go to the home tab, and from home tab, within the font group itself, you can see the change case option is available there. Change case option is available there, and as you click on change case option, it will display you all the 5 options. It will display you all the 5 options like sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize, each word, and toggle case. Okay, so we apply here first option, that is sentence case. So what changes it will do is that it will make the first letter of each sentence into capital. Suppose I have written this like this. And we have applied here the sentence case. So it will automatically make the first letter of each word as a capital. Okay, now you can see here as we have written in a small letter, but if you select the text and you apply the sentence case here, now you can see it has automatically the first letter of each sentence is written in the capital letter. Okay, now if we choose the another option, that is lowercase. Now you can see everything is written within the small letters. Suppose this is a paragraph, and here I apply the sentence case. The first one, the sentence case. The sentence case generally makes the first letter of first word in a sentence capital. The first letter will be written in a capital form. So now you can see, I hope that you are fine, as you know. So each word, the first if there is a capital letter, it will write it in a small letter, and if it is written in small letters, it will write it in the capital letter. Okay, capital to small and small to capital. So we apply here toggle case, and now you can see the first letter of each word is written in small letter, and all other alphabets are written in capital letter. So this is the example of toggle case. This is the example of toggle case. Clear? Now I will show you once again. So now, first of all, we will see the examples of alignment. We will see the examples of different text alignment. Okay, examples of text alignment. First one, left alignment. Suppose here we write the name of the school. Okay, we have written the name of the school. So this is the left alignment. Now we apply the center alignment, and here we will write center. This is center alignment. Okay. Then we apply justify. No, right alignment. This is the right alignment, and the fourth and the final one, justify. Justify. So these are the different examples of text alignment. Now you can see the first sentence is aligned towards the left margin. The first sentence is aligned towards the left margin. The second sentence aligned in the center of the page. The third one, right alignment, and the fifth and the fourth one is justify alignment. Clear? So now these are the examples of different type of alignment. Now you can see the effect of using the different alignments within your document. The first alignment, the left one, the text is completely aligned towards the left margin of the page. The second one, center alignment, the text is aligned within the center of the page, and the right alignment, text is aligned toward the right margin of the page, and justify is between left and right alignment, right margin of the page. Clear? Now we move to the exam. I will show you the exam once more. The example of change case of text. Change case of the text. Here. Now select this text and apply here the sentence case. Go to the home tab and from here apply the sentence case. Now within the sentence case you can see the first letter of first word, that is the sentence. The first word of this sentence, this particular sentence is sentence, and its first word is S. It is written in capital letter. Okay. Whereas the next one, the lower case. The second one is lower case. Select this text and apply the lower case. Now you can see everything is written in small letter, that is lower case. Everything is written in small letter. Then uppercase. Select the text and apply here uppercase. Now you can see the everything is written in the capital letter. Then next one is capitalize each word. Capitalize each word. Select the sentence and apply capitalize each word. Now you can see the first letter of each word is written in the capital letter. Okay, and the next one is toggle case. The next one is toggle case. We will apply here, and for this I'm just making some changes. So here I have written the first letter of each case into capital. Now if I apply the toggle case on this complete sentence, now you can see the toggle case. The first letter which was earlier written in the capital letter is now been written in the small letter. The capital letter changes into small letter, and all the small letters is been converted or changed into capital letter. So these are the example of 5 different cases. First one is sentence case, where the first letter of first word in a sentence will be start with capital letter. Second one is lower case, where everything is written in the small letter. Then third one uppercase, where everything is written within the capital letter. And the fourth one capitalize each word, means the capital letter, the first word of first letter of each word. First letter of each word is written in capital. And the fifth one is toggle case. The toggle case just reverse the cases, that is it changes the capital letter into small letters and small letters into capital letter. So this is all about today, and this is how we come to the end of this session, and this is all about today. And in the next session again we will learn about how to set the paragraph spacing, what is the meaning of paragraph spacing and why it is important, and how to set a line spacing, that is the distance between each line or the sentence, and then how to print your document, what is print preview, what is importance of print preview. Okay, so this is how we come to the end of this session, and I hope that this session was beneficial to you. And still if you have any doubt, you can contact me and you are free to call me to clear your doubts. Till that time, thank you and have a very nice day.